This is my new car, the CLK500. Just take you for a little walk around on the car. So you can see the pillarless design. Okay, these are the lights it has. It's got bi-xenon lights from factory. These are the wheels. The front wheels are 225 45 17-inch rims. The back wheels are 245 40 17-inch wheels. So they've got Continental tyres fitted all around. It's a pillarless design here. This one comes with a sunroof. Give you a bit of a look of the interior here. You can see it's all in good condition. It's a 2003 model, so the headlining's all in really good nick. This one's got the wood leather steering wheel, all leather interior. Also it's got parking sensors on the front and the rear. Moving on, this is the boot. So as you can see, it's got a fair bit of space, and with these little levers you can actually pull the back seats down, so you got a heap more storage inside it. Also underneath, it comes with a spare tyre and all the jacks and some gloves and so forth. This is exactly how I got it. Moving on, we're in the interior. Here's a nice view of the ocean, showing you the pillarless design. Here's the sunroof. We have the sunroof operation. You pull the lever in and off it goes. Also has a little cover as well, which locks if you don't, when the window's open. Well, I'll show in a second how that works. Okay, so we'll just close the sunroof. Then you can move the flap across and it still gives you a bit of light coming through there. There's your lighting section, the interior lights. Also a rear interior light. It's a good thing all the lights are working. So there's the mirror, there's the dash, so when I pull the seat, the keys out of the ignition, the steering wheel goes up automatically. When I put the keys in the ignition, it pops back down to where it was. How clever is that? Also, when you're ready to go, there it goes, the seat belt presenter, which automatically comes out on both the driver and passenger side as well, as long as someone's in the seat. These are the adjustments for the seat positions. You've got 3 memory settings. This is the glove box section. It's still got the original CD from 2003 for GPS, which is quite incredible. This is a CD stacker. That's the cartridge inside there. So you just pop the CDs in here when you want to put CDs in and listen to them. Pops back in like that. Pull the cover flap back like that. Pencil holder. Also sunglass holder there as well. Storage. MP3 connector. Those little noises are the little discs going in and out. Just trying to test to see if it's got CDs in there, and there's no CDs in there because I haven't set it up yet. Okay, I'll start the motor. This is the V8. Give it a little bit of a rev. Plenty of power there on the foot. It's got lots of torque, this engine. 225 kilowatts and 460 newton meters. There we go, this is the exhaust note. So these are the rear tiles here. Quite chunky. Also it's got parking sensors. There's little blobs here, there's 4 of them on each side. Okay, and that's at front and rear to help parking. It's called parking assist. And there's a little antenna for the radio. Anyway, Aldo signing out from sunny Chineman's Beach down here. And that concludes a little walk around tour of the Mercedes CLK500. 21 degrees in sunny Sydney. Aldo signing out. Over and out. Cheers.